Welcome to Money Making Magic channel. It's your guy Dare Ikezama. I'm here to give you the daily combo for today, July 3rd. Okay, to get started, let's click on Daily Combo button. Now let's go to the Market tab. Then you see GameFi tokens. Let's click on that. Go ahead. Wow, that's the first card for today. Okay, let's go to the legal tab. Now you see SEC transparency, SEC transparency. Okay, let's click on that. Go ahead. Cool, that's the second card for today. Let's get the third card for today. Go to the special tabs. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, there we see Web3 game coin. Okay, let's click on that. Go ahead. Cool, we got the third card for today. That's 5 million coins for today. Take the price. Good job, CEO. We did it. Please guys, do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.